that has the name of a guy that had a farm, they have very sturdy straws.
Oh,
Oh,
the fast
McDonald's
food.
had a farm.
Gotcha.
Okay, so they're very good. I don't know why I don't have one here, but these, if you work too hard on them, they start bending. They're not the best. Those are very good. So my rule, and it's my rule, you don't have to follow absolutely anything here. You do whatever you want. But I go in threes or odd numbers, and I don't start in the middle. I don't like the hole in the middle. That's it, okay? So then I choose a place, and I go.
Now you don't have to worry about the bottom one, because the bottom piece is baked.
Yes, exactly. That's why it's going to keep the integrity.
Ooh, this is going to be cool.
Of the shape. Okay, let me take that out.
And you're using a needle tool to remove.
Yeah, and if I'm going to remove, I'll try to remove, is it showing at all? No, here. I'm going to try to remove this one so I don't mess up with my main piece, okay? And then I come with the second one.
Ah, that is cool.
This one, I go put.
You know, when you first started doing this, I was like, where is she going with this?
Well, you ask that a lot about me, don't you?
And that looks really cool. Guest 403 said, Shahar Nash, love the class as always, addicted.
Awesome. Okay, same thing here. We're going to take this one out. Come on. Don't play with me. Not the time. Little thing. Okay. This one is, aha, it went. It was becoming a challenge. Okay, and now the third, I don't even know which one I have used. Okay, now the third size.
Any suggestions as far as going close to the edge, or it doesn't matter?
Not too close to the edge. So